I know what you're thinking. Another video about switch cases? Do you want to be the greatest or not? Let's talk about value binding. Let's say we actually want to see the numerical value of area code in our city name string. So whether the area code is recognized or not. So value binding allows us to bind the matching value in a certain case to a local constant or variable. That constant or variable is available to use only within the matching case's body. Does that make sense? No? Sick. Let me walk you through it. First thing you're gonna want to do is use some string interpolation here and throw area code in these guys just so, I don't know, it looks nice. And then this is the kicker. So we're gonna get rid of the default case and we're gonna add this case, right? So we're gonna go case, let unknown code. So we're declaring a constant here, let unknown code, and then we're gonna set city name equal to unknown code. String interpolation is not a known area code. The area code doesn't match any of the values provided in the cases above. After I change that to, I don't know, what is a good one? 901. So the area code won't match any of the values provided in the cases all up in here. And so we basically just created this temporary constant called unknown code. Beautiful. And we're binding the unknown code, that value, to the value of area code. So for example, if our area code is 901, it's going to output 901 is not a known area code. Because unknown code takes on the value of any area code that does not match the earlier cases, we don't explicitly need to declare a default case. Even though I said in a couple videos back, you always need it, you know, we'll talk about it. Notice though, we declared unknown code as a constant. If we needed to work on unknown code for whatever reason, you freaking weirdo, we could have declared it with a var instead of a let. It's not that big of a deal. You just change this guy to var and there you have it. So this last case is standing in place of our default. And if we take this guy out, no, that's fine. I do believe we would need to cook up a default for this switch statement, or at least it would be a great idea to. It doesn't like it when I switch them around. It takes a little while to be like, oh yeah, this is fine. That's basically it. I wanted to show you that you could declare a variable or a constant in here instead of using a default, so you can get the value of whatever area code is when it's not correct, because there's going to be times when you need to know that value. Okay, so subscribe and practice this out. This is going to be really useful down the road. Practice, 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 and see you in the next video.